Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to clean the Apple Watch Ultra. And this can actually go for any Apple Watch, so it doesn't have to necessarily be the Ultra. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the band off, because I'm not going to cover cleaning the band. That's a whole different thing. Okay, so underneath we're going to push the buttons here in a second. Let's see here. Okay, push this button, it comes right off. You push that button, slides right off. Okay, so put the band aside. Next step is you want to turn the power off of the device, which I'm all thumbs here. I'm having a hard time doing it, but I had to put my passcode in. While we're doing this video came about because my crown started to stick. And I thought there could be a mechanical problem with it, but it wasn't. It needs a good cleaning. And it worked like night and day difference. It was sticky. Once I cleaned it, it worked perfectly. So you need to clean your watch. So first step is I take a little bit of white vinegar, not much, just a splash here in a glass of water. And I almost knocked it over. Okay, and we're just going to go over the whole watch. We don't want to dunk it in it, but I take a good used toothbrush and I just go over everything, especially the bezel crown. As you do that, you'll notice that it starts to turn easier. If you have any soil on the back, gunk, sweat, all that stuff, go over it real well with your toothbrush, and see, it's already, my crown is already starting to move even better yet again. So I mean, it only makes sense. I've had the Apple Watch since it's come out, and I never really cleaned it per se. So then I take a microfiber cloth, and I like to go over it with the microfiber cloth. So we're going to wash it, dry it. I mean, with that, we've already washed it, so we want to dry it real well. And that's also getting any gunk off as well. And if you have any serious stains, toothpaste. I don't do it because my watch is fairly clean, but just use toothpaste. You don't need anything special. You don't need any special cleaners or anything that's going to hurt the watch. Toothpaste works on us, it's going to work on our watch. So go ahead and put the band back on now, and the silver goes down. That's how I always remember it. The silver tabs on it go down. Put it on, and your watch is good to go for another several months. And that's it. So that was my video on how to clean the Apple Watch Ultra, or any other Apple Watch for that matter. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.